Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to generate text ideas with AI Writer on OnePlus phone or tablet. To do it, you need to have a smart bar enabled. A smart bar is this little bar on either side of the screen, which if you slide it towards the center of the screen, it has some tools. If you don't have the smart bar enabled, go to the settings, and then go to accessibility and convenience. Then go to smart sidebar, and now make sure it's enabled, as well as smart functions. They also need to be enabled in order for this to work. Now you'll need to open an app that supports AI Writer, and I don't really understand why you need to open a certain app. You can see when I slide it on the home screen, it doesn't really have AI Writer option, and I don't really understand why, because it's first of all not content aware of what's shown on the screen, first of all, and second of all, it doesn't really paste it automatically into an email, for example. You need to copy it yourself. So if you don't know which app to open, simply open Gmail. It always works here. And now slide the the smart bar towards the center, and you'll see AI Writer. Now, if you want to generate ideas for your text, like let's say we'll generate an idea for an essay. Just ask it to give you ideas for a certain type of text. It can be essay, it can be an email or something like that. Then what it should be about, and you can add even more details depending on whatever you needed to actually do. Let's click on generate. And now it'll start writing it. You can see it is a bit weird with like it generating it in the form of email, but it gave me some responses, like for example the psychological impact of climate change. I could write an essay about that. And that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.